The last step on the grid strap installation is the Kevlar necktie by Fortress. It'll be anchored to the sill plate at the top surrounding the house, and then it'll be tied into the carbon strap. Again, the Kevlar will be tensioned later, and it'll all become one unit. So this is tying the wall into the house, and the wall is tied into the floor. The wall can no longer move. It's done with an impact wrench. The bolts are not tightened down all the way because we are going to let the carbon cure overnight and come back and tension, then put tension on that Kevlar strap. You don't want to install them and not have them tensioned. It doesn't allow any movement once it's been tensioned. If you put the strap up and tighten it down immediately, the wall does have the potential to still move at the top until it puts the strap in tension. Add some extra epoxy to tie in the Kevlar strap. We have a completed strap from the day before, which we're going to go to after this phase, showing you how we tension the Kevlar strap, and then we're going to show you removing the cellophane so that the carbon fiber can be cleaned, either ground with a light sander or primered, and then you can paint the strap and anything green and paint the entire wall. The straps virtually disappear because they're so thin. And once again, we're getting all the air bubbles out, so we have 100% contact.